Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore the top 5 best 4K drones that capture stunning aerial footage with crystal clear detail and smooth flight performance. We'll break down each drone's camera quality, flight time, range, stability, and smart features so you can easily choose the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or drone enthusiast, these 4K drones are designed to deliver cinematic shots and an amazing flying experience. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the best 4K drone for you. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone Combo. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight, beginner-friendly camera drone designed for users who want high-quality aerial footage without complex setup or heavy regulation requirements. Weighing under 249 g, it avoids registration requirements in many regions for recreational use, making it one of the most accessible 4K drones on the market. Key features overview. 4K Ultra HD camera for sharp aerial video and photos. 3-axis gimbal stabilization for smooth, cinematic footage. Up to 10 km HD video transmission range. Dual battery combo, up to 62 minutes total flight time. Under 249 g ultra lightweight design. GPS return to home safety system. Level 5 wind resistance, up to 38 km/h stability. Intelligent quick shots, drone, circle, rocket, etc. Beginner-friendly controls with auto takeoff and landing. Performance review. The DJI Mini 4K performs strongly in its category, especially for beginners and casual creators. Camera quality. The 4K sensor combined with a 3-axis gimbal produces stable and cinematic-looking footage, even in light wind or movement conditions. It is suitable for travel videos, landscape shots, and social media content creation. Flight stability. Thanks to DJI's flight system and brushless motors, the drone remains stable in moderate wind conditions. The GPS-based hover and return-to-home features add extra safety for new pilots. Battery life. With 2 batteries included, the total flight time reaches around 62 minutes, which is solid for this class of drone. Transmission range. The 10 km video transmission is impressive, though real-world performance depends on environment and interference. Pros. Excellent 4K video quality for the price. Very stable flight with 3-axis gimbal. Lightweight and travel-friendly. No registration required in many regions. Long total flight time with dual batteries. Beginner-friendly automatic features. Strong safety features, RTH, GPS hover. Cons. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Limited advanced manual control compared to pro drones. Wind resistance is good but not for extreme conditions. Requires app download outside Google Play in some cases. Basic 12MP photo resolution compared to higher-end drones. Final verdict. The DJI Mini 4K Drone Combo is one of the best entry-level 4K drones for beginners and content creators who want portable, stable, and high-quality aerial filming without complexity. It is ideal for travel photography and videography, YouTube and social media content, beginners learning drone flying, casual cinematic aerial shots. Overall, it offers excellent value, strong performance, and user-friendly operation, making it one of the most recommended compact drones in its category. Number 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a high-end compact drone designed for beginners and advanced users who want professional-grade camera performance in a lightweight body. Despite being under 250 g, it delivers flagship-level features such as a 1-inch sensor, advanced obstacle sensing, and intelligent tracking. Key features overview. 1-inch CMOS sensor with 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video. 50MP still photography capability. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing with LiDAR support. ActiveTrack 360 degrees intelligent subject tracking. 225 degrees flexible gimbal rotation plus true vertical shooting. Up to 36 minutes flight time per battery. Fly More combo with 3 batteries included. 42 GB internal storage for direct recording. Lightweight foldable design, 249 g class. DJI RC2 controller included. Performance review. Camera quality. This is the biggest upgrade in the Mini series. The 1-inch sensor produces excellent dynamic range, sharp details, and strong low-light performance, making it suitable for semi-professional filmmaking. Flight safety and sensors. The drone includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing plus LiDAR, which significantly improves safety during complex flights and night operations. It is one of the safest mini drones available. Tracking system. Active Track 360 degrees is highly advanced, keeping subjects locked smoothly even during fast movement like cycling or running. Gimbal and movement. The 225 degrees rotation gimbal allows unique cinematic angles and true vertical shooting, ideal for social media content creators. Battery life. Each battery gives up to 36 minutes, and the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries for extended shooting sessions. Pros. Large 1-inch sensor, rare in mini drones. Excellent 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video quality. Advanced obstacle avoidance in all directions. Strong Active Track 360 degrees subject tracking. Very lightweight and travel-friendly. Flexible gimbal with vertical shooting support. Fly More combo includes everything needed. Cons. More expensive than entry-level drones. Advanced features may be overwhelming for complete beginners. Battery life is good but not class-leading for pro use. Requires app download from DJI website, not Play Store. Final verdict. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo is a premium compact drone that bridges the gap between beginner drones and professional aerial cameras. Number 3. Oddire 4K GPS Drone. The Oddire 11 Hong Kong dollars is a budget-friendly GPS camera drone designed for beginners and casual users who want 4K-style aerial photography with smart flight features like auto return, follow me mode, and waypoint navigation. It focuses more on features and flight time than premium camera quality. Key features overview. 4K UHD camera, adjustable lens, 90 degrees tilt control. GPS auto return home, low battery or signal loss. GPS follow, orbit fly, and waypoint flight modes. Dual battery system, up to 48 minutes total flight time. Brushless motors with level 5 wind resistance. 5G Wi-Fi real-time FPV transmission. Gesture control and smart shooting modes. Foldable lightweight design under 249G. 1 key takeoff and landing. Performance review. Camera quality. The drone advertises 4K resolution, but real-world output is closer to 2.7K quality video, which is common in this price range. It performs well in daylight but is not ideal for professional filmmaking or low-light shots. Flight stability. GPS support improves stability significantly. Features like auto return and orbit mode make it easy for beginners to fly safely, even without experience. Flight time. With 2 batteries, total flight time reaches up to 48 minutes, which is strong for a budget drone. Range and connectivity. The 5G Wi-Fi system provides stable control up to about 500 meters, which is good but not professional-grade long-range performance. Pros. Affordable GPS drone with many smart features. Good total flight time, 48 minutes with 2 batteries. Brushless motors improve stability and durability. Easy for beginners, auto return, follow me, waypoint. Lightweight under 249G, no heavy restrictions in many regions. Foldable and portable design. Cons. True video quality closer to 2.7K, not real professional 4K. Limited low-light performance. Build quality is mid-range plastic. Range is shorter compared to DJI drones. Camera stabilization is basic compared to gimbal systems. Final verdict. The Oddire 11 Hong Kong dollars is a feature-rich beginner drone with strong value for money, especially for users who want GPS functions and long flight time without spending a lot. It is best for beginners learning drone flying, casual travel and outdoor filming, social media content creation, users who want GPS safety features on a budget. Overall, it is a good entry-level alternative, but it does not match the camera quality, stability, or precision of DJI drones. Number 4. DJI Neo 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Neo 2 is a ultralight beginner drone designed for simple flying, quick content capture, and safe operation with advanced automation features. At only 151g, it is one of the most portable DJI drones, focusing heavily on ease of use, safety, and AI-assisted flight. Key features overview. Ultra-lightweight design, 151g, with propeller guards. 4K video recording for high-quality aerial footage. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer flight. Active Track intelligent subject tracking. Gesture control plus palm takeoff/landing. Selfie shot automatic framing for quick content. Digital transmission system for stable live view. Fly More combo with 3 batteries included. Beginner-friendly automated flight modes. Remote controller, RCN3, included. Performance review. Ease of use. This drone is clearly built for beginners. Features like palm takeoff, gesture control, and selfie shot make it extremely easy to capture footage without manual piloting skills. Camera quality. The 4K camera delivers sharp, social media-ready video, but it is not aimed at professional filmmaking. It performs best in daylight conditions. Flight safety. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing is a major advantage in this size category. It helps prevent crashes and makes flying much safer for new users. Tracking and smart features. Active Track performs well for casual activities like walking, cycling, or travel vlogging. It keeps subjects centered with minimal input. Battery life. With 3 batteries included, users get extended total flight time, making it suitable for longer shooting sessions. Pros. Extremely lightweight and portable, 151g. Very beginner-friendly operation. Strong safety system with obstacle sensing. Easy AI features, gesture control, selfie shot. Good 4K video for casual use. Fly More combo includes 3 batteries. Stable digital transmission system. Cons. Not designed for professional filmmaking. Smaller sensor compared to higher-end DJI drones. Limited manual control for advanced users. Performance depends heavily on lighting conditions. Shorter individual battery flight time per pack. Final verdict. The DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo is a perfect entry-level smart drone for beginners, travelers, and casual content creators who want a safe, easy, and automated flying experience. It is best for first-time drone users, travel vlogging and social media content, hands-free AI tracking shots, quick and simple aerial photography. Overall, it is one of the most beginner-focused DJI drones, prioritizing simplicity, safety, and automation over advanced professional control. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, DJI RC. The DJI Mini 3 is a beginner-friendly yet powerful 4K camera drone designed for travel, content creation, and smooth cinematic shooting. It sits in the sweet spot between affordability and professional quality performance, especially for users who want long flight time and strong video quality. Key features overview. 4K HDR video recording with dual native ISO. 48MP photo capability. True vertical shooting for social media content. 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth stabilization. Up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, video transmission. Fly More combo with 3 batteries, up to 114-minute total flight time. Under 249g lightweight design, no registration for recreational use in many regions. GPS return to home and beginner safety features. DJI RC controller with built-in screen included. Wind resistance up to level 5, 38 km per hour. Performance review. Camera quality. The Mini 3 produces excellent 4K HDR footage with strong dynamic range, making it ideal for travel videos, landscapes, and social media content. The vertical shooting mode is a big advantage for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Flight stability. With a 3-axis gimbal and brushless motors, the drone delivers very stable footage even in moderate wind conditions. It feels smooth and reliable in real-world flying. Battery life. This is one of its strongest points. With 3 batteries in the Fly More combo, you can achieve up to 114 minutes total flight time, which is excellent for long shooting sessions. Range and transmission. The 10 km transmission range is very strong for a mini drone and provides stable live video with low interference in open areas. Ease of use. The Mini 3 is very beginner-friendly with features like auto takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, precise hovering, intelligent flight modes. Pros: excellent 4K HDR camera quality, very long total flight time, Fly More combo, true vertical shooting for social media, lightweight under 249 g, strong wind resistance for its size, stable 3-axis gimbal footage, beginner-friendly controls and safety features. DJI RC included with built-in screen. Cons: no omnidirectional obstacle sensing, less advanced tracking compared to higher models, camera not as powerful as DJI Mini 5 Pro class drones, slightly less pro-level creative features. Final verdict: the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is a highly balanced drone for beginners and semi-professionals who want long battery life, great 4K video, and easy operation without complexity. It is best for travel vloggers, beginners upgrading to serious drone photography, social media content creators, users who want long flight time and stable 4K footage. Overall, it is one of the best value DJI drones in the Mini series, offering excellent image quality, strong flight time, and simple usability.